ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। Third mantra is going on in Mandukya. जागरितस्थानः बहिष्प्रज्ञः सप्तांगः एकोनविंशतिमुखः स्थूलभुक् वैश्वानरः प्रथमपादः। चतुष्पाद आत्मा pratignya is done, and these are all the visheshanas of the prathama pada. That prathama pada is jagrita sthanah, bahuvrihi samasa. There it is bahish prajna, it is with prajna extroverted. Saptangaha, it has 7 limbs and 19 mukha means dwara. So through these 19 apertures it experiences, and these saptanga is what is experienced. So the same is experiencer through 19 mouths, entry points, and the same is experienced, which is of the 7 limbs. And what is experienced is all sthula vastu, therefore he is called sthula bhuk. Vaishwanaraha prathama padaha. Yesterday we were seeing 5 number tippani on page number 16. Tippani number 5, I will just explain what that is. Pratibhasata nama. So this tippani comes on Chaitanya Lakshana Prajna. Pratibhasata nama bahihi jada prajna iti samanyoktya. So prajna which is outgoing in the form of vritti upahita chaitanya, that prajna is jad, in the sense it is anitya. It is not kutastha, and it is dependent in the form of vritti and chaitanya appearing there. So this pratibhasata means this illumination. Pratibhasata means pratibhasatvam, bhavavachak naam. Bahihi jada prajna iti samanya uktya. This is the samanya, this is generally known chaitanya. Jnanam generally known in this way. Then a question will come, to ajada api kim? Is there any ajada prajna also? Tatha yadi cha, if there is ajada prajna, means independent chaitanya consciousness, if it is there, yadi cha tatha katham, how? In this way you have to read that. Tu ajadapi kim tatha, tatha means first, tatha means prajna. So is there ajada prajna also? If there is commonly known jada prajna, is there something called ajada prajna also? Yadi cha tatha. So before that yadi cha tatha, if you want, you can just put a question mark so that vakya kim tatha question mark. Yadi cha tatha, if it is there, katham means what is, how it is there. Iti rekod bhavati ityaha. Rekaha means prashnaha. For question, Tippanikar has used the word rekaha. So I looked in. Rekaha means prashnaha. So this question will become, answer to that question is that vakya chaitanya lakshana prajna ityadi. Okay, now you see further on page number 17 in Tika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7th line from top. Uktang saptangatvam upasamharati. So the saptangatva we saw yesterday. Iti evam saptangani yasya saha saptangaha. So these are the 7 limbs. So Panch Mahabhuta, Surya Chandra and Agni, heaven. So the worlds, which is otherwise, like in Dakshinamurti Stotra and all, it is explained as Ashtamurti Bhrit Shariram Bhuram Bhansya Nalon Nilombar Mahar Niloambar Mahar Natho Himamshuh Puman Ityabhati Chara Charatmakamidam Yasyeva Murti Ashtakam. This is Murti Ashtakam of that Paramatma. So that is explained there. Here it is in Veda, it is given as Saptanga. Visheshanantaram samuchinoti in Tika further. Visheshanantaram samuchinoti. So further Visheshanas are added now and explained. Their samuchya is done. Tatha ekonavimshatihi mukhani yasya buddhindriyani karmendriyani cha dasha. So now buddhindriyani and karmendriyani, 10 of them. Ekonavimshati mukhani yasya saha ekonavimshati mukhaha. This is also Bahuvriya Samas. The one who has 19 mouths. Mouths means they are the Upalabdhi Dwara. So through these 19, जागृत अवस्थान और वैश्वानर can be available because in all of these 19 places Chaitanya has to express. That is what is meant here. In all Buddhendriya means Jnanendriya. All Jnanendriyas Chaitanya has to be there. Then they will function. Karmendriyani Chaitanya has to be there. Shrotrasya Shrotram, Manaso Manoyad, Vachoha Vacham, so Pranasya Prana, Chakshushas Chakshu. So all of them they function because there is some Chaitanya. Chadasha, Vayavasya Pranadaya, Pancha, then 5 pranas. So 10 plus 5, 15. Mano Buddhir Ahankara Shchittam iti, and 4. Antakarana Chatushtaya. Actually, in Brihadaranyaka, the 17 mouths, the 17 anga of Sukshma Sharira. In Tattvabodha, what are the 17 anga of Sukshma Sharira? You remember in Tattvabodha? Can you hear me? Huh? What are they? You cannot hear or what? Huh? No, that will be 19. In 17, so they say 5 Jnanendriya, 5 Karmendriya, 5 Prana and Mana Buddhi. This is 17, correct? In Tattvabodha. But in Brihadaranyaka, I think Anand Giriji, he has said it differently. Because he says, are there 5 pranas or only 1 prana? You always say it is 1 prana with 5 different vrittis. Similarly, it is 1 antakarana with 4 vrittis. So why do you count 5 pranas and 4 antakarana? So he counts 17 differently in Sukshma Sharira. What does he say? 5 Jnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, 5 Mahabhuta, Pancha Mahabhuta. Sukshma, Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. 1 prana and 1 antakarana. 1 prana with 5 vrittis and 1 antakarana with 4 vrittis. This is 17. That is how he counted there. Here it is 19. Whichever way you take. Because you see, we don't experience prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana separately. Similarly, we don't experience mana, buddhi, chitta, ahankara separately. It is one. That's why it is given in this way. And in Viveka Chudamani, Puryashtakam Sukshma Shariram Ahuhu. So in Vivek Chudamani, how it is given? Pranadi Pancha. Then Karmendriyani Pancha, Buddhendriyani Pancha, Abhramukhani Pancha. Abhramukha means Akashadi, 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 20. Then Avidya Kama Karma. So 7 and 1 more. So this is Puri Ashtakam, Sukshma Shariram Ahu. And Antakarana Chatushtaya, only 1. So 5 karmendriyas, 5 jnanendriyas, 5 pranas, 5 mahabhutas. Then antakarana, avidya, kama and karma. This 8 Puri Ashtakam Sukshma Shariram Ahu. In this way Vivek Chudamani Bhashyakar has given. So they can put it differently. They show it this way, that way, whichever way. But what we have to recognize here is Chaitanya is available for experience through these faculties. If somebody is breathing, means Chaitanya is expressing. Somebody's hand is moving, leg is moving, eyes are opening, closing, he is listening, means Chaitanya is expressing. So mukhani iva mukhani tani upalabdhi dwarani ityartha. Tika. Very simple. Buddhyarthani indriyani shrotra tvak chakshur jihva ghrhanani. These are the jnanendriyas. Karmarthani indriyani vak pani pada payupasthani. Tanyetani dvividhani indriyani dasha bhavanti. These are the 10 indriyas. Pranadaya ityadi shabdena apana vyanodana samana grihyante. Iti adi shabdena. Prana adaya adi shabdena apana vyanodana samana grihyante. Upalabdhi dwarani iti upalabdhi padam karmopalakshanartham. Upalabdhi dwara, so upalabdhi means here karma is also included. Means it is not only for upalabdhi of jnanam, it is also upalabdhi of karma. Dwaratvam means karanatvam. They are the means for either jnanam happening or karma happening in this Vaishwanaraha. Dwaratvam karanatvam. Tatra बुद्धिरिंद्रियाणाम मनसो बुद्धेश्च प्रसिद्धम उपलब्धौ कारणत्वम. बुद्धि इंद्रिय मीन्स ज्ञानेन्द्रिय, मन and buddhi, they are upalabdhi karana is very well known. Prasiddham upalabdhau karanatvam. And karmendriyanam cha vadanadau karmani karanatvam. And in karmendriya, where there is vak pani padaya ityadi, they are for karma, they are karana. Pranadinam punaha ubhayatra paramparyana karanatvam. And pranadi, they are karana in both, for jnanendriya also and karmendriya also. Paramparyana means prana directly doesn't do any jnanam. Prana directly doesn't have any karma role. Through sense organs, indirectly they are either participating in jnana karya or karma karya. Teshu satsu eva jnana karmanor utpattehe. Teshu satsu eva. Teshu means praneshu satsu. When pranas are there, then jnana or karma vyavahara is possible. Asatsu cha anutpattehe. And if pranas are not there, then we know nothing will function. Manobuddhyoscha sarvatra sadharanam karanatvam ahankarasyapi pranadivadeva karanatvam mantavyam. Manobuddhyoho cha sarvatra sadharanam karanatvam. Mana and buddhi, they are generally available as sadharana karana. Means for any jnana vyavahara, they will be present. Others will be asadharana karana. or asadharana karana, which is known as karana, whereas mana, buddhi, they are sadharana karana. Ahankarasyapi pranadivadeva karanatvam mantavyam. Ahankara also, like prana, will be a karana for both jnana vyavahara or karma vyavahara. And chitta, chittasya chaitanya bhasodaye karanatvam uktam iti vivektavyam. Chittasya chaitanya abhas udaye karanatvam uktam. 4 number टिप्पणी. चैतन्य आभासोदय इति स्मरणात्मक चैतन्य आभासोदय इत्यर्थः. चैतन्य आभासोदय means where I recollect something based on my samskaras. In that chitta will be karana. So not in bahya vyavahara but antar vyavahara only. Karanatvam uktam. Karanatvam uktam iti vivektavyam. संस्कारजन्य वृत्तौ इन टिप्पणी संस्कारजन्य वृत्तौ चिदाभासस्यैव स्मरणत्वात्. इन संस्कारजन्य वृत्ति चिदाभास is चिदाभासस्यैव स्मरणत्वात् means chidabhasa alone is acting in recollection. Samskara is there and chidabhasa, that's all. Means bahya vishaya is not there because it is samskara janya vritti. टीका. पूर्वोक्तैः विशेषणैः विशिष्टस्य वैश्वानरस्य स्थूलभुक् इति विशेषणान्तरं तद् विभजते. पूर्वोक्तैः विशेषणैः विशिष्ट इज वैश्वानर. सो जागृतस्थान बहिष्प्रज्ञ सप्तांगः एकोनविंशतिमुखः. विशिष्टस्य वैश्वानर इज स्थूलभुक्, एक्सपीरियंसर ऑफ द ग्रॉस वर्ल्ड. इति अनदर विशेषण. विशेषणांतरम अन्यत् विशेषणम विशेषणांतरम is also a samasa. Tad vibhajate. Like shrutyantaram. Shrutyantaram means anya shrutihi. Tasmin shrut or anya shruti shrutyantara. Not shrutyantaram, shrutyantara. स एवं विशिष्ट इन भाष्य. स एवं विशिष्टो वैश्वानरः यथोक्तैर्द्वारैः शब्दादीन् स्थूल विषयान् भुङ्क्ते इति स्थूलभुक्. एवं विशेषणैः विशिष्टः वैश्वानरः यथोक्तैः द्वारैः, by these उपलब्धि द्वारा he experiences sthula vishaya. Actually he is experiencing his own self. With 19 apertures he is experiencing his own 7 limbs. That is sthula vishaya. Sthuladi vishayan bhunkte iti sthula bhuk. Tika. Next shabda, shabdadi vishayanam. You put tippani number 5 there in tika on previous page. Shabdadi vishayanam is tippani number 5. Shabdadi vishayanam sthulatvam. Then digadi devata is put number 6. Tippanis are there in the footnote. Only here first you write number 5 and number 6. Okay. Now let us read the tippanis. So the vakya is shabdadi vishayanam sthūlatvam digadi devatānugrihitaihi shrotrādibhir grihyamanatvam. Okay, now see टीका. शब्दादीनाम इंद्रिय ग्राह्यत्व गुण प्रयुक्तम गौणम स्थूलत्वम इति आशयना. शब्दादीनाम इंद्रिय ग्राह्यत्व गुण प्रयुक्तम गौणम स्थूलत्वम. शब्द स्पर्श रूप रसगंध शब्दादीनाम इंद्रिय ग्राह्यत्व गुण प्रयुक्तम गौणम स्थूलत्वम. दे आर स्थूल ओनली इन द गौण सेंस. व्हाई? दे आर इंद्रिय ग्राह्य. इंद्रिय ग्राह्यत्व गुण प्रयुक्तम गौणम स्थूलत्वम इति आशयनाः शब्दादि विषयाणाम इत्यादि. What is meant is Vishayas are actually not sthula, because in Vishaya what we are experiencing is only Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha. Shabdadi is apanchikrita panchamahabhuta, not panchikrita. Therefore, even though in Tika it is given Shabdadi Vishayanam Sthulatvam, टिप्पणीकार से शब्दादि नाम इंद्रिय ग्राह्यत्व गुण प्रयुक्तम गौणम स्थूलत्वम. इट इज नॉट मुख्य स्थूलत्वम. मीन्स व्हेन आई से आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग घटा, रियली स्पीकिंग आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग रूप, नॉट घटा. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी से आई एम लिसनिंग टू समवन, यू आर लिसनिंग टू शब्द इन दिस वे. Then in tippani shabdadi vishayanam ityadi, then next sentence swapna vishayanam is tippani number 6. You put 6 number is missing. swapna vishayanam api shrotradi grahyatvam pratibhasate. In the swapna vishaya also shrotradi grahyatvam is there. There also I am hearing something, I am seeing something. So indriyas are there. They are sukshma indriyas which are in the form of mind alone, manovritti in swapna. Iti atah digadi devata anugrihitaihi. Digadi devata anugrihitaihi shrotradibihi grihyamanatvam. So sthul vishaya also requires devata anugraha. Sukshma vishaya, they are experienced, their separate devata is not needed. Devatas are functioning only when in vyavaharik plane. Devatas are not there in swapna. Which devata? These indriya devatas, because it is only mind, only one man show, one mind show is there, swapna. You see in tippani they have given last line, devatanugrahasya shastraikagamyatvat shastrasya cha pratibhasika avishayatvat na tatra ativyaptihi iti bhava. Swapna is pratibhasika. Devata anugraha is understood from Shastra, and Shastra is not talking about pratibhasika devata. So they are vyavaharika, means they are available in vyavaharik jagat. So this lakshana ativyapti is not there in digadi devata anugrihitaihi for sthula bhuk shrotradibihi grihyamanatvam. You understood what I say, what is discussed here? What is said is In Swapna, you don't need presiding deities over sense organs, because in Swapna you don't use sense organs. All you are using is mind acting as sense organs. And Indriya Devatas, they are only used in Vyavaharik Jagat. They are not required in Pratibhasik world of experience. You imagine this Tippanikar, Bade Maharaj Ji, why he has to write so many Tippanis? Already there is so much written. Mantras are there on that Bhashya and Karikas are there. Then Tikakar is there, Anand Giri, and still some more things are explained, and so many Tippanis are there, you see on every page. And this is less. In Brahadaranyaka there is so much. Means on every word he feels he can simplify something or add some explanation. This is their sadhana. Their sadhana is not doing more Narmada Parikrama or going to Char Dham frequently. Their sadhana is this. And even if there are not many students, this sadhana can be done, you know. I take a book and I go on writing something without waiting whether anybody wants to read or not. But you see, then everything is now useful to those who want to read. Now, Vaishwanara Shabda is being explained. So, Sthula Bhuk is explained that through these apertures, Shabdadin Sthulan Vishayan Bhunkte. Remember, Shabdadi is actually not Sthula Vishaya. In secondary sense, they will become Sthula Vishaya as Ghatapatadi. Ghatapatadi are Sthula Vishaya. Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha are Sukshma. But in Gauna Artha, you have to understand. Because we think we are experiencing gross world. Really speaking, we are experiencing Brahma only. Idanim in Tippani, in Tika, Idanim Vaishwanara Shabdasya Prakrita Vishwa Vishayatvam Vishadayati. Now Vaishwanara Shabda is being explained Prakrita Vishwa Vishayatvam. In Vaishwanara there is Vishwa. So Vishwa Vishayatvam is explained. Bhashya. Vishvesham Naranam Anekadha Nayanat Vaishwanaraha. Vishvesham Naranam Anekadha Nayanat. Vishvesham means Sarvesham. In Tippani, 1 number Tippani you see. Vishwa means Sarva. Vishvechate Naraha. Nara means not only Purusha. All gross bodies. Nara Shabda Vachyaha Sthula Dehaha. Because if you just say Nara, then what will happen to Pashu Pakshi Ityadi and Vrikshadi? Because they are also all Jivas. So Nara Shabda Vachyaha Sthula Deha. All gross body, including your buildings and mountains and rivers and everything. Tesham Ayam Adhisthata. Atra Pakshe cha Tasya Idam iti. Tasya Idam iti Annantaha. An pratyaya you have to add. So the Shabda will be Vishvesham Naranam Vishvechate Naraha iti Vishwanaraha. Vishwanaraha. Tasya idam iti Vaishwanaraha. that is the an pratyaya, like tadhita pratyaya. See, videhasya ayam vaideha, if pullinga, videhasya, so v is there and an pratyaya you do, vai it will become. Same way here, vishve vishwa naraha, v will become vai when you do an pratyaya. Tasya idam, napunsakalinga, tasya idam, tasya ayam will be pullinga, and vaidehi if you want to do, then iyam, tasya iyam vaidehi. So Vaishwanara Shabdabodhya. Now Vishwa and Nara is there. Vishwa Naraha. How did you say Vaishwanaraha? How did it become Dirgha? Purva Padasya Dairghyam Nare Sanyayam iti. Nara Sanya or Mitra Sanya. Vishwa and Mitra. Then it will become Vishwamitra. So there also Dirgha will, Purva Pada will become Dirgha. Purva Padasya Dairghyam. And therefore Vaishwanaraha. So all beings are led anekadha in many ways. Nayanat means they are led in many ways. That is called Vaishwanaraha. All beings are led in many ways. Second meaning is given before that. So Tippani number 3 we have to see. Prakritaiti अनेन विश्वस्य समष्टि आत्मना ईश्वरत्वं विवक्षितं सूचयति. विश्व alone as समष्टि आत्मा is ईश्वर. So विश्व शब्देन समष्टि आत्मा, विश्वस्य समष्टि आत्मना ईश्वरत्वं. विवक्षितं सूचयति. Then the next part, Kartari Shashtyapi in Tippani. Do you see that? You know where I am? That Kartari Shashtyapi, you put 3a Tippani. And in the Tika, where it says Karmani Shashti in the first line on the right side, in Tika, that Karmani Shashti, there you put 3a. Because Kartari Shashti is also possible, Karmani Shashti is also possible. Kartari Shashtyapi Sambhavat aha Karmani Shashti iti. Sixth case is possible in Kartari also Sanya and Karmani Sanya. So here Karmani Shashti. There is another one also, Sheshe Shashti in Brahma Sutra. Brahma Jignasa, Brahmanaha Jignasa, Brahma Jignasa. So there this discussion comes. This is Karmani Shashti or Sheshe Shashti. See, if you keep your mind in these kind of things, then your vichara will be of such thing. The mind is in other direction, then after some time we start feeling all this is not required. I just need to sit in solitude. I need to close all doors and everything. And then slowly Shastra and Shastra Parampara both will go. So you have to remain in Shastra and realize the importance of these things. So what is meant by Karmani Shashti and not Kartari Shashti? When it is said Vishwesham Naranam, this is in the Karma Vyutpatti. So Karmani Shashti. Anekadha Nayanat Vaishwanaraha. In that Vakya, this is Karmani Shashti. That Vishwesham Naranam, this is the sixth case. And it is in the form of Karma. So Vishwanara is the one who is the leader. And what is led is all beings. Sarvesham Naranam. All are being led by this Vaishwanara. It is like, let's say there is a huge being. So when he walks, everything is going to move. Right? When he thinks, everyone's thinking is going to get influenced. When he eats, everything will get nourished. And when he sleeps, everything will be dissolved. But different beings within, they have different freedom. I read something very beautiful. You know, people pray to Bhagavan. Bhagavan, you fulfill my this desire, that desire. Actually speaking, only Bhagavan's desire gets fulfilled, not individual's desires. If individual happen to think in the same line as Bhagavan, then when Bhagavan's desire gets fulfilled, the individual will think my desire is getting fulfilled. And when the individual thinks differently from what the Paramatma's will is, your desire will not get fulfilled. I'll give you example. The example was also very beautifully given. Let us say there is a train, and the train is supposed to move in one direction. Let's say from south to north. From Rishikesh to Uttarkashi, you know there is a train coming up. Rishikesh to Uttarkashi, Gangotri, everywhere. Train will be there in 2 years. So let us say there is a train going up and you are sitting in that train. Now, train is going up north and you sit in the train, and you inside the train, you are pushing the train in the southern direction, pushing in the south. You think the train will go in south? No. You think, oh, Bhagavan is not listening to my desire. He is not meant to listen to your desire. Train is supposed to go up. Okay, then I will not push down, I will push up. And train is also going up. So you see, whether you push or not, train is going to go up. If you think you are pushing, therefore train is moving, you will be under the impression whatever you are willing is happening. Actually, it is not. It is not your will which is working. It is the will of Samashti only. Samashti means Paramatma. You happen to think that you are also thinking like that, and therefore your will is also getting satisfied. Whether you think or not, this is how it is going to happen. This is Vaishwanara. So everybody led in that direction. This is the Upasana Phalam. So Ahankara will not have any separate role to play as such. Then you don't waste time in planning things and then realize, oh, it is not working, why are you planning all these useless things? Yadabhavi na tadbhavi. In Panchadashi there is a shloka. Yadabhavi na tadbhavi. Bhavi ched na tadanyatha. Iti chinta vishagnoyam bodho brahmanivartakaha. Yad abhavi na tadbhavi. What is not going to happen is not going to happen. Bhavi chet, and if it is going to happen, na tadanyatha, you cannot change it. This understanding, this bodha is chinta vishagnaha. It will destroy all your chinta, worries. Iti chinta vishagnoyam bodho brahma nivartakaha. This bodha will remove your brahma. This alone Ramana Maharshi ji also has used. By the way, today somebody in Kailash, in Bhandara, chanted Upadesha Sara shlokas, which is very rare. Karturagnya prapyate phalam. I have to talk to that Mahatma. Some new Mahatma has come. But I don't think anybody else would have understood that it is Upadesha Sara, because very few people study Upadesha Sara. Okay. Yadva in Bhashya. Vishwascha asau. Before that, let's do Tika. Vishvechate narascha iti vishwanaraha. Vishvechate naraha iti vishwanaraha. This is the dirgha here. Nipatanat purva padasya dirghata. So, 4 number tippani, this nipatanat. So, here it is given asanyatvaभिप्रायेण idam संज्ञात्वे tu nare संज्ञायाम iti avabodhyam. So, this nare संज्ञायाम, when nara is there in the purva pada, in the uttar pada, then purva pada will become dirgha. Vishwan naran bhoktrutvena vyavasthitan prati anekadha dharma dharma karmanusarena sukha dukkhadi prapanad ayam karma phaladata vaishwanara shabdito bhavati ityartha. He is karma phaladata, giving the sukha dukkha based on dharma adharma, but not karma phaladata as sitting somewhere and distributing karma phala. He himself is everything. Saptangas are there. So karma phaladata vaishwanar shabdito bhavati ityartha. Athava विश्वश्चासौ नरश्च इति विश्वानरः स एव वैश्वानरः स्वार्थे तद्धितो राक्षस वायसवत् इत्याह. अथवा विश्वश्च असौ नरश्च, कर्मधारय you do first, then स एव वैश्वानरः, विश्वानर एव वैश्वानरः स्वार्थे तद्धित. Like rakshasa एव राक्षसः and Vayasa, Vayas eva Vayasa. In this way, those shabdas are formed. Vishwa in Bhashya. Yadva Vishwaschasau Narashyati Vishwanaraha Vishwanareva Vaishwanara. And then it is said in this 5 number tippani अथवा 6 number tippani, it's not here. Somewhere it is given that this part is actually not there in the Likhita Pustaka. See, in Kailash, there are written books of Bhashya, handwritten. So, somebody must have copied from the handwritten books, or I am guessing like that. So, here somewhere in the Tippani, I think it is given, Yasha Patho Likhita Pathe Nasti, something like that. Anyway, when it comes, I'll tell you. So, the written books are also, these are all printed books that we see. Written books are also there. So, in that some line is not there. So, that means it might have come later, is also possible. Anyway. Swarte Tadhita is explained, that's 6 number Tippani, how it will happen and all. Through Bahuvrihi Samasa and Upapada Samasa, etc. टीका कथम विश्वस्यासौ नरश्चेति विगृह्यते जागृतां नराणाम् अनेकत्वात् तादात्म्यानुपपत्तेरित्याशंक्याः. How do you split it as Vishwascha Asau Narascha in this kind of Vigraha? How do you have? Why? So it is said, Jagratam Naranam Anekatvat. Waking the Naras means the beings are many. Bhinna Jivas are there. You see, those Bhinna Jivas, they are not different from Virat. 7 number Tippani says, Tad abhinnasya, tad abhinna bhinnatva nyayena Virat abhinna jivana mitho abhedat. So, individually, A is different from B, B is different from C, let us say. But O includes A, B, C. So, A is not different from O, B is not different from O, C is not different from O. But A is different from B, B is different from C. Those differences will become invalid. So, like one human being thinks another human being is different from me, that animal is different from me, that person is different from me, but I am one with God. How is this thinking? I am one with God, I am different from all these other people. This is the, I always laugh at this, and I have told this earlier also. People don't have any problem in seeing oneness with Paramatma. Jiva Ishwara Aikya. He says yes. Jiva Aikya is not possible. They have so many questions and objections about other people. Why these people? Why this? Why he is? Why she is this way, that way? But I am one with Paramatma. What kind of oneness is this? There is no oneness with Paramatma if there are so many objections with everybody around. So, that Bheda, when it becomes insignificant, then only Jiva Ishvara Aikya is possible, not otherwise. Sarva Bhashya, Sarva Pindatma Ananyatvat, Sa Prathama Padaha. Sarva Pindatma Ananyatvat. All Pinda, Vaishwanara is not different from anything, and therefore those also have to become one. In other words, individuality has to dissolve. Individuality is there. My raga dveshas are very strong. I want to be Ananda Swarupa Brahma. Nothing is going to happen. You imagine you are Ananda Brahma. Sarva Pinda Atma Ananyatvat. There has to be Ananyatvam. Saha Prathama Pada. This is the Prathama Pada. Etat Purvakatvat Uttar Padadi Gamasya Prathamyasya. A very nice question is there. See in Tika. Sarvam Pindatma Samashti Rupo Virat Uchyate. It's not Sarvam, it should be Sarva. Sarva Pindatma. Yeah, there is no Anuswara there. Inside it should be dash. Sarva Pindatma Samashti Rupaha Virat. By the way, I have Bade Maharaj's Mandukya copy also. I have all actually. Isha, Kena, Katha, Prashna, Aitreya. Just if I have to check something, then it is useful. Brahadaranyaka, Chandogya, Chitsukhi, Mundaka, Mandukya, Prashna, Sankshep Shariraka, Taittiriya, and Vartika volume 1 is missing. 2, 3 and 4 are there. All of Bade Maharaj. Advait Siddhi is there, but I don't think there is much in there. Means he has not commented much. So Sarva Pindatma Samashti Rupo Virat Uchyate. Tena Atmana Vishvesham Ananyatvat Yathokta Samasa Siddhihi Ityartha. Because that Paramatma is Sarva Pindatmaka Rupa, Samashti Rupa, Virat, and therefore Vishwasya Asau Narasya, this Vyutpatti will work. Vishwesham Ananyatvat Yathokta Samasa Siddhi. Vishwasya, now this is the question. Vishwa is Karya, Taijasa is Karana. So first you should have explained Taijasa. You started explaining Vishwa. Karana you should explain, then Karyam you should explain. You are explaining Karya first. विश्वस्य तैजसाद उत्पत्तेः तस्यैव प्राथम्यं युक्तं कार्यस्य तु पश्चात् भावित्वम् उचितम् इत्याशंक्यः. कार्य should be explained later. First you should have given तृतीय पाद, then द्वितीय पाद, then प्रथम पाद इति आशंक्यः एतदिति. एतत् पूर्वकत्वात् उत्तर पादाधिगमस्य प्राथम्यस्य. उत्तर पाद knowledge will take place only when you have this pada jnana. Prathama pada knowledge will help you in understanding Dvitiya pada. So etat purvakatvat uttara pada adhigamasya, adhigama means jnanasya, prathamyam asya, tasmad asya prathamyam. Therefore this is explained first, sthula. Tika. प्रविलापन अपेक्षया प्राथम्यम न सृष्टि अपेक्षया इत्यर्थ. Why it is called first? Because it is the first one to be dissolved. प्रविलापन अपेक्षया प्राथम्यम, not सृष्टि अपेक्षया. It is not first created, it is first dissolved. How alert they are, you know, Tikakar. Now a Purva Paksha is going to come. He said, you said Atma is Chatushpat and Atma's description you have to give. in Prathama Pada, you started saying Murdha, Suteja and all those things. Where did this come from? Chatushpad Atma was Pratignata. You should have talked about Atma. What is this Murdha, Suteja and Vishwa Chakshu and all that? This is objected. We'll see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.